Welcome everyone to the Tier Eyes YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a comparison between the iPhone 15 and 16 series and the Samsung S24 Ultra, focusing on their battery life. First up, the iPhone 15 has a 3,349 mAh battery, which allows for about 7 hours and 30 minutes of video playback. Next, we have the iPhone 15 Pro, which has a slightly smaller 3,274 mAh battery, giving you around 7 hours and 15 minutes of video playback. Now, let's move on to the iPhone 16 series. The iPhone 16 has a 3,349 mAh battery and offers up to 7 hours and 15 minutes of video playback. The iPhone 16 Plus steps it up with a 4,674 mAh battery, allowing for up to 8 hours and 45 minutes of video playback. The iPhone 16 Pro features a 3,582 mAh battery, which supports about 8 hours and 15 minutes of video playback. Finally, the iPhone 16 Pro Max has an impressive 4,685 mAh battery, providing up to 11 hours and 22 minutes of video playback. And now, the star of the show, the Samsung S24 Ultra. With its powerful 5,000 mAh battery, it can play videos for an incredible 12 hours and 31 minutes. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. Stay tuned as we keep bringing you the latest in tech. See you in the next video.